of using iPhone default ringtones? Let's see how you can use any song or music to make your iPhone ringtone. You can download a song from YouTube, Apple Music or Spotify and etc. and make the song your iPhone ringtone easily. This tutorial review will show you how to customize or how to make a custom ringtone on iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is install the AnyTrans software on your computer, and then you have to install the iTunes software on your computer. Then launch the AnyTrans software. Connect your iPhone with your computer using the USB cable which one comes with your iPhone. Make sure to unlock your iPhone. Once your iPhone connected with AnyTrans, you will get your iPhone here. And now you can go to YouTube, Spotify and then download the specific song which one you want to use as a ringtone. Then all you have to need, just click on this arrow icon and here click on ringtone maker. Click on import from computer. So once you've downloaded the music on your computer, now select the music you want to set for ringtone on your iPhone. And the music will load here. Now you can drag this slider to adjust the part. Click on audition to play the music. Once it's done, all you have to need, just click on import to device. And note one thing, the free version of AnyTrans app is only available for exporting the custom ringtones to your computer. So you have to active your AnyTrans app, then click on import to device and the music will be set to your iPhone as a ringtone. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe tutorial reviewer. See you in the next video.